In this Cranfield University QuickBite video, we demonstrate how to correct issues in the list of figures in your thesis. The list of figures seen here contain a number of issues. The first and most obvious is that it contains an image which should not be there. The second is the caption numbering, which appears to be correct for figures 1.1, 1.2 and 2.1, but is clearly incorrect for the three which follow, as they all display 0 for the chapter number, and they're not sequential. 0.1, 0.2 and then 0.1 again. To remove the image from the list, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the image. This will take you to the page in the document containing the figure and caption. The image appears in the list of figures due to the absence of a paragraph mark after the image. Paragraph marks can be seen here at the end of each paragraph. To view the paragraph marks in your document, click the Show Hide button in the paragraph group on the Home ribbon. This enables you to see any hidden characters in your document. To fix, simply click to the right of the image and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Navigate back up to the list of figures. The quickest way to do this is to click the list of figures in the navigation pane. Right-click on the current list of figures and select Update Field. When prompted, select Update Entire Table, then click OK. There's another one. That must have been on the next page. Let's fix that one too using the same steps. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the image. Again, this takes us to the page in the document containing the figure. To fix it, simply click to the right of the image and press Enter on your keyboard. Then remember to go back to the list of figures. Right-click on the list and select Update Field. When prompted, click Update Entire Table and click OK. This has now fixed the issue of the images appearing in the list of figures. Next, the figure caption numbers need correcting. To begin, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the caption for the first one that needs amending. In this example, that's figure 0.1. The best thing to do at this stage is scroll back through the chapter to see where the previous figure was captioned correctly. Here's figure 2-1. This looks okay. For reference, let's check that it is in the correct chapter. Yes, here's section 2.2, which means the figure is definitely in chapter 2. Now scroll slowly from this correctly captioned figure to the incorrectly captioned figure. What you are looking for is a small black square in the left margin, which will indicate when a heading style has been applied in the text. The issue is usually caused by a blank line in the document being formatted as a heading. Occasionally, it could also be a figure or other object which has been formatted as a heading. There it is, that's what you're looking for. It's actually the image which has been formatted as a heading. Notice the little grey triangle here too? That's a collapse expand option which is associated with headings in a document. You can see clearly here in the Styles gallery on the Home ribbon that heading 1 has been applied. To fix this, click on the image once, click Normal in the Style gallery, or click the Clear All Formatting button in the Font group on the Home ribbon. Now update the caption to see if it has corrected the issue. Right-click on the caption and select Update Field. The quickest way to update all of the captions and lists in the document is to press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, then press F9. When prompted, click Update Entire Table, then click OK and repeat as required. Let's check back in our list of figures. This one didn't get updated. Let's update one more time to fix that.